This is going to be a video product review of the TISSCARE foot massager machine. It has heat. It is a Shiatsu foot massager and calf massager. I have used this on my mom for her plantar fasciitis. Neuropathy, if you have neuropathy, if you have problems with blood circulation, this is something you should look into. This has a deep kneading type shiatsu massage. It helps increase the blood flow. It comes with a remote control. I will be honest, I don't use the remote control. Maybe you will. The nice thing about this new version that I'm going to be trying out is you no longer have the AC adapter. The old one had an AC adapter. This just has a power cord that's on the bottom. The other one was extremely big and very tall. This now has a bracket on the side. I'll show you that in a minute. It has an on-off switch. It has auto. It has multiple speeds. It has a direction switch to move it in different directions. It's got the heating switch, and it has a timer. All of those can also be controlled on the remote. Now, the thing that I'm really excited about with this, I want to try this out for the forearms, because when I work out, these muscles get extremely tight. When you use the keyboard, these muscles get tight. You end up with problems with carpal tunnel, and that you really can't do anything except knead it with your hand. So I'm going to be trying the machine out with that. I'm also going to show you how it works on the feet, and then we are going to set this up so that it works the calf muscles. The nice thing about this new model is it's smaller, it's more compact, no messing with the AC adapter. It is also able to go on a table so you can do your arms. So let's check it out and see what happens. Let me say, I have been using TISSCARE massagers for years. This has saved me from many nights of pain after riding the bike, where I put my feet in here, where I put my calf muscles in there, and it just felt incredible. This is my first time trying the new style on the forearms, and I'm going to see how it feels. Oh my God. Oh, this, unbelievable. I always have tight forearms. I always have them from doing the dumbbells and the barbells and the weights and the stretching. Oh my God. This is wonderful. Might be a little, if it's uncomfortable for you to get both arms in there, then just do one arm at a time. This really bites down onto the skin, and it feels absolutely amazing. I will probably use this massager more for the forearm than I did for the feet. Maybe not. We're going to try that out on the feet in a minute. This is perfect. It really clamps down. I don't take that the wrong way, clamp or bite down. This really grabs down onto the arm, and it works the whole arm. Let me try the bicep now. You can't do this with other massagers. This is wonderful. If you're a weightlifter, if you're always tight in the arms, oh my God, I am so happy. Let's go with the faster speed. Yes, the faster speed on here. This is amazing, absolutely amazing. I will be leaving an affiliate link in the video description so you can buy this. I would totally recommend you pick this up. Press the direction button. It should go, there it goes in the other direction, so it's kneading a different way. I don't use the heating, as I said. Timer, I don't need the timer, because the minute it shuts off, I turn it right back on. Auto, there we go. Absolutely incredible. So let's go over and do the foot massage now, and you can see how that is set up. As I was telling you, with the new model, we have this bar over here. So you press in on the side, and you can control the bar. Let me see if I can show you that. There's the bar over there that goes up, and that allows you to position this for foot massage or calf massage. And let's try that out now. This is going to be my first time using it for the foot massage with the new model. Let me press the button, and we'll test it out. My gosh, yow. There is just something incredible about this company. The joy I feel when I use their products just like on the forearm, you can see right at the top over there, it's closing down on the foot a little bit. And while I like to use the word clamping the foot, squeezing the foot in there a little bit, it's also kneading the bottom of my foot. You can't really see that, but oh boy, I just moved my foot up a little bit. So you have control over what part of the foot the kneading is happening at, whether it's the tip or the arch or the heel. This is absolutely incredible. Let's press the speed. Okay, for me, I like it on a faster speed. You might like it on a slower speed. I just think this is a wonderful machine. And now, as I was saying, the older model was much taller so that you could put your feet in there and it would do the feet and then it would do the calf muscles. This is much more compact and I like it a lot better. I'm going to adjust the bar over there now and we'll set it up for the calf massage. There is the bar for the adjustment. You can see that I've adjusted the bar for the calf massage. So this is going to be my first time. This model is so much nicer. I love this. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Now I used to go to a foot massager by the beach and they used to charge me about $45 for 30 minutes or 20 minutes, whatever it was. And that's when I realized for the first time how tight your legs get. I didn't even know. I had no clue until he was working my calf muscles, my feet, and I felt incredible when I walked out of there. And then I started thinking, $45 every time I go there. After 4 or 5 appointments of that, you can pay for this and you don't have to ever pay again. This feels so good. I've got it right down at my ankles. Oh my gosh, remember where I was talking about the clamping and the squeezing? Okay, so it's doing that at the calf muscles now. You can position this. This is going, oh wow, this is nice. Oh my goodness, this is nice. This feels so good. Ladies, if you wear heels, which is everybody, if you wear high heels, if you wear boots, if you walk a lot at work, if you stand on your feet a lot when you're at work, there it is. TISSCARE, the foot massager machine. Shiatsu, for your calf, for plantar fasciitis, for neuropathy. It kneads, it increases the blood flow, it feels great. As I said, on-off switch, timer, heating, direction, speed, auto. Use this on your feet, use this on your calf muscles. Buy this today. Look in the video description for the affiliate link, click on it and get this. This is absolutely amazing. You will be using this every night.